Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about thinking about quitting. Doordash driver contemplates quitting first day on the job after customer climbs out of window for delivery. You know, Doordash is really a great opportunity, but the reality is it's not for everybody. And that goes for any gig app. UberEats, Grubhub, Instacart, whatever. And in this case, this person is thinking about quitting because they saw a customer climb out of a window during a delivery. I could think of people who've quit for less. So with that said, I want to go over everything that's being said in this article, how it actually is for Doordash drivers, customers, and new drivers and their experiences and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Some people prefer to have their food deliveries handed to them. Others like to have them left at the door. One Doordash customer has captured the internet's attention for their unconventional delivery preference, climbing out the window to meet the driver at their car. I mean, if you gotta get to the driver somehow and the door ain't working, I guess you gotta use the window, right? TikTok user and Doordash driver Jonathan LJ87 posted his strange interaction with the customer on February 1st. As of February 2nd, the video garnered over 1.5 million views. The things you do for content, huh? I'm going to leave his TikTok as well as his profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. In the video, a woman in a black tank top and denim shorts climbed out of her window to meet Jonathan LJ at 87 at his car. The TikToker jokingly told viewers in a text overlay that the experience made him question working as a Doordash driver. If that's all it takes, man, then just quit. Like, seriously? I know that you're saying that as a joke, but that's the least of your problems. Yeah, there are strange customers with weird quirks, but out of all of the things that could have happened, that's probably the most innocent of them all, or among the more innocent. My first day doing Doordash, thinking about quitting, he wrote. In the comment section, viewers came up with ideas about why the customer chose to slip out of the window to retrieve her order. She didn't want to share with whoever by the front door, one user suggested. Okay, let's be real for a second. The person who jumped out the window was a woman. If it was a guy that was trying to protect their food, I kind of get that, because guys basically drill their girlfriend into asking if they want anything. They'll say no and say they can't have any of their fries if they don't want anything. They say, I get it, but then they steal the food anyway. Don't mess with my food, ladies, I swear to God. But in this case, it's gonna be the other way around. Like, I don't think guys really steal the ladies' food. Ladies are pretty protective about their food to begin with. But then again, it could be a sibling or another person in the family that they can maybe share their food with in that case. So there's a couple of potential possibilities with that. POV, you're renting a room and you don't want the owner to see you buying food when you're behind on rent a second proposed. Ooh, that's a good point. Let's say you're renting from somebody and you're behind on said rent, but you don't want the owner to see you spending money in a way that is already paid for on a premium. That doesn't even include the tip, therefore would probably be seen in a negative light in that case. I mean, I guess that's a way to look at it, but there's also the other point of if you're behind on rent, why are you ordering on Doordash? When you told the kids there was food at home, but you don't want food from home, another choked. If she's a mom, then honestly, moms are looking younger every day, man. Other viewers shared that they initially found the video quite scary. LMAO, I thought it was a snake at first, and then her head slowly came out. I almost threw my phone, one user commented. And then her little run, LMAO, love her. I mean, let's be real for a second. If you saw a woman climb out a window like that, how would you react? Let me know in the comments. Would you think it's scary, or would you think, oh, that just happened? If it was nighttime, I would have left ASAP. That was a scary movie moment. No thanks, another wrote. Oh, if it was night, how would you react as a Doordash driver? That would be scary. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. Let's be honest for a second. If you saw a customer climb out a window during the evening, that would be scary. If it's during the day, You're probably just standing there like, what the hell did I just see? This can't be the real reason that you quit DoorDash. I'm sure that that was said as a joke to kind of add a little comedic value to the TikTok, but if this is all it takes for you to quit DoorDash, then you shouldn't be DoorDashing. And honestly, I hope she at least tipped well. I wish that you would have asked why she was climbing out the window to begin with, because I'm just curious now. Let me know what you actually think. Why did she climb out the window realistically? Because quite honestly, this time I think I'm stumped. If you're going to try for DoorDash and you're sticking with it, just be prepared for moments like this, because there are gonna be crazier things that happen, and some of them are going to be good, some of them are going to be weird, some of them are going to be bad. That's just how any opportunity goes. That's not just DoorDash. But if you stick with it, you'll make good money. If not, well, you wouldn't be the first one to quit in the first 3 months. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!